let's butcher a chicken. This whole chicken was 12 bucks. Chicken will last me every dinner for the week. That's 12 bucks. Only takes a couple of minutes. Sharp knife. And we're gonna start with the legs. So we wanna cut this skin part here to separate it. And then you pull the leg out. And then you just cut around here. And you pull out the leg and you can see the bone. And you just cut around it. Shouldn't be cutting through any bone here, just simple like that. There's a thigh. Not a Maryland technically. And then this chicken is wet. Alright, and we do the same thing on the other side. Nice and easy. Oops. That's a bit dangerous. Alright. And then again, we cut between the joint. Boom. 2 legs. Alright, it's so wet. I'm gonna dry this. Now for the breasts. There's the sternum in the middle. And we basically just want to cut to one side. And then we just go down as far as we can on one side. And then we turn the knife like this slightly. And then cut down until it comes off. Boom. There's the breast, skin on. And there's the tenderloin. For your chicken tender, it's going to remove that because it's normally in the way. Tendy. Breast. Now we just do the same on the other side. Cut down. Cut down. And then again, so turn the knife slightly. And then boom, another breast, skin on. If you want the skin off, just pull it off. Now I've left a little bit of skin here, which is alright. You can turn this into mince if you like. Or you can just fry it up, still breast. Now we've got the wings. So we basically just want to cut around the shoulder blade of the chicken. This is the part that normally gives me some difficulty, but let's see how we go. That's it. See? Nice and easy. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, this chicken's 12 bucks. And you can literally use it to make curries, to make pasta, to fry it, to grill it. It gives you a lot more variety than just buying thighs or mince or breast. If you're just buying breast, come on guys. Oh, all right. There we go. Just remove it. And we got 2 wings. Now we've got a carcass. Obviously, this isn't rubbish. Even though it may look like it. This is great for making stocks. So what I do is I wait until I've got 3 or 4 of them and then I make stock out of them. So into the freezer she goes. Now for the legs, if you want to eat them like this, I'd recommend dry brining and then roasting. This is how I normally eat these cuts. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a thigh piece for frying and I'm going to use the drumstick to chuck in my curry. Because curry is yummy. And you basically just find there's a joint bone between the thigh and the leg, just like we have. And if you can slide the knife between there, it should come away pretty easy. And look, that was I just got kind of lucky there. It doesn't always go that way, but I've now cut quite a few chickens. And I mean, if you do this and you're trying to save some money or trying to be a little bit more thrifty, or even just trying to challenge yourself with different cuts of chicken, you'll get better as you go, just with anything really. So let's see if I can do it again. Struggling to find the joint bone, so which isn't very promising, but let's see. I think it's here. I think that worked. So now we've got drumstick, and we've got a thigh. You can remove this bone, but I think it's a bit of a pain in the ass. And normally cooking it gives a little bit more flavor, and just remove the bone after you eat it. But if you really want it, what you do is you grab the bone, and then you slide your knife in and cut away from one end, and you cut down the bone. And just kind of scrape it away as you go down. That's pretty much it. Then you go under. Boom. That's it. And then keep that for your stock. You got a boneless skin-on thigh. And again, if you've got skin on, just pull it off. But yeah, that's a chicken. I don't know if this is helpful, but I was going to do it anyway and figured I'd share with you guys. So